In this video, I want to walk you through this amazing theme that's going to complement the Azon Story Builder plugin. Now, I have to let you know the plugin by itself is absolutely amazing, but when you add this incredible and gorgeous theme, things just go to another level. So this is the theme that you're looking at right here, and let me walk you through the settings for this theme. So let's go back over to the dashboard, and the first thing you want to do is install the theme. Now, if you don't know how to do that, all you need to do is go to Appearance and then go to Themes and then click on Add New. I already have it installed, so I can't do it again, but you want to go over to Upload Theme and then find the file where you've downloaded it on your computer, just like this, and then select it on your computer like that, then click on Open, and then go ahead and click on Install Now. And then once you've done that, go ahead and activate it and you'll be ready to go. So let's go over to the theme options, and this is where you'll see it once you've installed it. We'll click on that, and now we can customize this site right here. So we've already added products and we've shown you how to do that in previous videos, but now let's go ahead and customize it. So we can do the colors and style. We can choose whether or not we want to fix with layout, just like this, or we can choose to turn that on or off. And as you can see, you have these little bitty help options right here. So we'll go ahead and we'll leave that off for now. We can also choose to change the background color if we want. And also we can choose the site color or the theme color by selecting in this option here. And you have a number of options here. You have brown, red, green, gray, pink, and blue, which is what I already have on the site. Okay. And we can upload our logo. As you can see, I have a logo in here. And then also our default parallax background, which is what you see right here. Okay. When I scroll just like this picture right there. Once we're done, we want to go ahead and click on Save Changes. And if we've made any changes, we'll see them on the site. Let's go over here to the top bar option. And this is what controls this area up here. So we can choose whether or not to show or hide the top bar option, just like this. So if we turn that off and click on Save Changes, we can come up here and then refresh it. And now we can see that it's not there. Let's go ahead and turn that back on. And then also we can choose to show the contact details and then go ahead and refresh it. Okay. And we can choose to show the contact details as you see up here. And then also the social media links as you see right here. Okay. And all you have to do is just fill in those social profiles, and I'll add my Facebook profile here. Click on Save Changes. Okay. Like that. And it's saved successfully. Let's go ahead and refresh this, and then we'll click on that Facebook option here. And as you can see, it refreshes to my Facebook page. Okay. Let's go back to the theme. And now we can go to the home page option. And if we wanted to, we can add a slider, because with this theme, you're going to add the revolution slider that you see right here. Now this training won't go through the revolution slider, but if you wanted to add one, you could, and then you would turn it on right here and then choose the slider speed as well. Okay. I'm going to leave that off for now. And then we can choose whether or not we want to show the homepage parallax. And then also we can choose a background image as well. That will be our default parallax background. It comes with a placeholder image, but we don't want that. So I'm going to go ahead and we'll go ahead. For now, we'll turn it off just like this and then click on Save Changes. Okay, let's go to the shop settings, and we can choose the shop page title, which is what you see right here. So we want to change that. We can say something like "Get great bargains here." Okay, like that. And then we can choose how many products per page we want to show. And if we want the read more option on there, we can turn that on as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Save Changes, and then we'll refresh this. Okay. And there you can see the changes have been made just like that. Okay. Now let's go to the footer settings. And this just gives you the option to change the copyright. So we can change that to whatever we want, like that, and then click on Save Changes. And then scroll down. As you can see, there is our copyright. Okay. We'll go ahead and refresh that. Now you can see that we've changed it down there. Okay. Now, if we want, we can also add any custom CSS that we want to show on our theme here. We will put it in this box. And then if we want to track using Google Analytics, we will put it in this area right here. We will put that Google Analytics code here. And finally, if we go down to the utility option, we can choose our import and export options right here as well. Okay. And finally, if we want to restore to default options, you can click on this option here. Okay. But make sure that you back up your content. Make sure you back up your site before you do any of that. Now, also, the navigation is controlled just like it is in WordPress. And if you go up here to appearance and then go to menus, just like that, you can add your menu structure and then also manage the locations like you see here, as we have it in the header area as well as in the footer area, as you see right here. Now, one final thing I want to walk you through is that also the site functions just like it would with a regular WordPress setup, where you can also add items to the sidebar area just like this by going to the widgets area and then adding those widgets in the sidebar. So it works just like it would with a regular WordPress option. And let's say if we wanted to add our categories, we can drag that in just like that and then click on save, go back to our theme, refresh it. Okay, and as you can see, the categories have been added as well. And this theme is going to make your product store, your Amazon store on your site look absolutely incredible. And this is how you go through and customize it. And don't forget, you have a number of colors that you can use, just like we showed you before, right here. And you can select those options here. Let's go ahead and select one more, and then we'll be finished with this video. Let's select red, then click on Save Changes. Then we'll go ahead and refresh it. And now you can see that it's changed here, and all the buttons and all the labels and things like that. So this is how you configure the theme and make it work to your specifications so that your Amazon store on your website looks absolutely incredible. Okay, well, that's it for this video. Take care.